Listen and read. A. Condition. Evident. Nuclear. Poison. Population. Recycle. Save. Spill. Acid. A lack of something. An oil spill. A shortage of food, water. B. Condition. 1. Good conditions. To live in awful conditions. Ideal conditions for a holiday. He couldn't work in such conditions. 2. To be in good, bad condition. To be in no condition to do something. I'm in no condition to walk that fast. Evident. An evident fact. To be evident. It was evident that she had once been a beauty. Self-evident. It was self-evident that they would not be able to finish the job on time. Nuclear. A nuclear power station. Nuclear waste. A nuclear bomb. Nuclear energy. Nuclear weapons. Some electricity is made from nuclear energy. In some Western countries, governments are against nuclear power stations. Poison. 1. Well-known poison. Rat poison. There is poison in this plant. 2. To poison water. To poison a person. It is evident that the man was poisoned. Poisonous. Polluted water may be poisonous. Population. The male-female population. To have a population of about 1 million. The elephant population. Population growth. Los Angeles has a population of over 3 million people. Recycle. To recycle waste. To recycle paper. Waste which is not dangerous should be recycled. 98% of domestic waste can be recycled. Can we recycle bottles? Save. 1. To save people. To save from death. He saved my life. 2. To save money for a house. Don't waste your money. Save it. Put it in the bank. To spill, spilled, spilt, spilled, spilt. To spill water on something. To spill coffee all over the table. Oil is spilling from a tanker. Don't spill water on your suit. Acid rain. To produce acid rain. When you burn coal or oil, you produce gases which come into the air together with water and make acid rain. Acid rain is poisonous. Lack of something. Lack of food. Lack of money. Lack of water. Evidently, there is lack of water in this part of the country. There is no lack of stories to tell them. There is a great lack of clean water in this area. Oil spill. Oil spills can be extremely dangerous for water birds. They lose their ability to fly and soon die. Shortage of food. Nowadays, there is a shortage of food in some African countries.